off on a four-wheel adventure without the trailer. And we are going up to Clear Lake here near Silverton, Colorado. After that, we are going to be going close to Mesa Verde, Colorado, and going back into Durango to check out the beautiful city of Durango, Colorado. Guys, we are coming across the road that you take to get to Clear Lake. For those of you interested in seeing this beautiful site, I want you to know that yesterday, Rita and I climbed ice lakes and did both of them. It took us 9 hours, but that was allowing for about 45 minutes to an hour at each lake, and plenty, and I mean plenty, of short 2 to 5 minute breaks. Lots of water. Rita taught me that. I got a little bit hydrated yesterday because I'm not used to the elevation, but just drink water and electrolytes and protein and carbs. Anyway, this is the road that takes you to the top of Clear Lake. I'll film a few snippets on the way, and we'll show you a beautiful sight at the end of this vlog. Camera's pointing to is the hillside with the trail that me and Rita did yesterday. Those spiny rocks up at the very top, the ice lakes are under them. So we literally climbed that hill 9 miles, 9 miles, 28,400 steps, an elevation of almost 2,500 feet. And me and her did it.
Piece of cake.
I'm a cowboy hat, a ripped up shirt, tractor pulling out in the dirt. Hot cup of coffee with a cigarette, pretty little thing sitting on my hip. I'm a good old boy and a country star. No one else can go this far. Come on, babe, go with me.
We are approaching Clear Lake.